Alright, back up here in the barn. Got the cable hooked to that end. Got everything in position here. I'm going to send her back down in the tube. Yeah, there's a steel line. Goes from the back of this bracket, goes along the corner down to the middle. And that could be rusted. Or this hose could be broke. I'm really thinking it was that cylinder leaking, so yeah, hang on, I'll bring you back. We'll get this thing buttoned up. So I may need to get some help. I'll get one of you guys to help me hold that marker up and get the pin back in it. So hold on. All right, I got the hose on there. I got these two bolts in. I got the cable lined up. And make sure the hose isn't caught in the cable. And I got the cable pulled through the other side. So now I got to get this marker lifted up on there, and I think I can get it here. So let me see if I can get that lined up. Alright, that wasn't too bad. I just held this end up. Got that pin started down through there. And then there's a spacer that goes on there. And it just pops through the bottom. And a little pin is down here. There we go. Bend that. I have something. Yeah, here we go. This will work. I'll get a pair of pliers. There we go. Okay, and then this little pin here. This thing will pivot on that. And this little pin here is the breakaway. This little pin ain't much of a pin. It just sits down in this hole. And if you hit something with a marker, it folds back. So I'm thinking that's very important. I've never sheared that, but it does work. So, all right, the next thing is get these babies folded up, get the bolts back in that plate. So, hold on, bring it back. All right, got the lock back on it, bolted the cable back to it, and there it is. It really isn't that heavy. Massey 1105, he was complaining about his not making marks in no-till ground, but it's a no-till planter. There's nothing to argue about that. The markers on that Kinsey planter were sure a whole lot heavier. The Kinsey frame's a whole lot heavier. It's 7x7 square tubing, where this is, I don't know, 7x6 or 7x4. I don't know what that is. I don't have a tape on me. And this is all sheet metal here. I've reinforced this piece here, extended it a little bit longer, so in case I wanted to ever run duals on a tractor, reinforced it here. But yeah, this piece here is just sheet metal. Where on the Kinsey, that's all heavy iron. It's heavy attachment back in here. So yeah, if you're looking at corn planters, the row units are all the same, the Kinseys and the John Deeres, but the Kinsey frame's a whole lot heavier. I think they built planters for New Idea and a bunch of them too, so Anyhow, I'm going to put the bolts back in this and go check the field. So thanks for watching.